everyone, welcome to my channel. Good day. I am Madam Malaysia poultry farm. So I went somewhere today and I'm just coming back right now. So I want to now launch to my farm to feed my layers, to give them their afternoon food and also to collect their afternoon eggs. So join me in feeding them and collecting eggs. So I miss the time that I usually feed them in the afternoon. So I went to somewhere very important. I could not do that. But immediately that I come back, I first rush to the farm to take care of my layers. Because it's not good to miss the time that you feed your layers. It's very important to keep the time that you are using to feed them in the morning and in the afternoon. So I am making sure to feed them very fast so that my layers will not have issue in changing their time. Because I usually feed them in the afternoon around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. But now it's almost after 3. I am happy to feed them there. So I am giving them their water. So So it's time to collect egg, afternoon egg. So thank you for joining me. I am done feeding them and collecting their eggs. So thank you very much for joining me. So this is our farm. This is our farm. As you can see, we are doing well. The layers are very healthy. The chicken are very healthy. As you can see, they are very healthy. They are busy eating and drinking. So this is all I have for today. And also, don't forget to subscribe and share my video and comment on my comment section. Support me, support my farm. So in my next video, I will share with you all how I use purple leaf and cocoyam leaf to boost to boost their immune system, and also to help and how it helps in their egg production. Pawpaw leaf and papaya and cocoyam leaf are have a lot of benefits to our layers. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget, please I beg you, don't forget to subscribe and share my video. God bless you.